Hello, today I'll be showing you a program that I developed using Scratch that accurately simulates the orbital periods of planets in our solar system compared to each other. The length of time it takes for our planet to do a full orbit around the Sun is called an orbital period. This program shows the relative lengths of the orbital periods of the planets in our solar system, showing how fast they move around the Sun compared to each other. Here's a listing of the program to show you what I've done. To make this program's orbital speeds accurate, I used Earth's orbital period of 1 year as the reference. Then I divided by 1 the actual orbital period of the other planets. For example, Mars has an orbital speed of about 2 years, so its speed compared to Earth would be 1 divided by 2, which is half the speed Earth would take to orbit the Sun. I made sprites for the program using PaintShop Pro. I drew a large circle, the orbit line of the planet, and drew a smaller planet on the circle. I would then import that image as a sprite into Scratch and program it so that it would rotate forever at a certain speed depending on which planet it is. I would do this for each of the planets and reduce the percentage of the size of the sprite as the planet orbits get smaller. Lastly, I added the sprite of the Sun. The Sun, of course, doesn't orbit anything, but it stays in the center of the model. You'll notice from the simulation that as the planets get further from the Sun, the inner rocky planets move very quickly around the Sun compared to the outer gas giants that move relatively slower. The time period for an orbit around the Sun gets longer the further the planet is from the Sun, or quicker the closer the planet is from the Sun. For example, the orbital period for Mercury is only about 3 months. The orbital period for Neptune, for example, is over 160 years. Thank you for watching.